Hi, this is Daniel Gibson with Academic Technology Support in the Office of E-Learning here at ETSU. This is one in a series of videos intended to provide some guidance to individuals who need to get up and running with WebEx for an ETSU-related web conference meeting. In this video, I'm going to tell you a bit about what WebEx is, and then I'll talk about what kind of tech and devices you will need in order to participate in a WebEx meeting. Cisco WebEx is a web conferencing application used by ETSU in order to conduct synchronous meetings and courses in an online environment. WebEx allows you to meet with others online and communicate with each other by typing text messages, speaking through a phone or a microphone, and/or showing your camera. Presenters inside a meeting can share additional information, including their desktop screen, common document formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF, and they can even stream multimedia to the meeting participants by uploading audio or video files. In addition to all this, there are many other simple ways for presenters and participants to interact using basic interface features like quick polling, status indicators, breakout rooms, and a lot more. Considering the wealth of features available, WebEx meetings can be used for something as simple as an enhanced phone call or as complex as an interactive group assignment inside a classroom. This makes it a powerful tool for distance education, and we hope that it serves you, your classmates, and your instructors well. Let's discuss the kind of device or devices that you will need in order to participate in a WebEx. Thankfully, Cisco has built WebEx in such a way that it allows you to access a meeting in a number of different ways. Depending on your situation, your device needs may vary a little bit though. We'll start with the most simple scenario. If you're in a situation where you do not have access to the internet or an internet-enabled device, then you can just use your phone to connect to the audio conference in your meeting. This will allow you to speak and to hear everyone inside the meeting space, but you won't have access to any other visual information which is being shared. Within the WebEx widget of your D2L course homepage, you should be given a toll-free number and a meeting access code. You can call into the number and use this access code to join the audio conference. You may want to write these down somewhere just in case you ever need to call into a WebEx audio conference without an internet connection. Most people will probably want to access more than just the audio in a meeting. If you want to join in a WebEx meeting interface, but you aren't able to sit down at a computer, then you can use a smartphone or a tablet device and connect to your meeting using the free WebEx app, which you can download in either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Since mobile devices already have a built-in microphone and camera, you can join in the audio conference, share your camera, and keep track of any shared visual information all from inside of the app interface. This is really easy to do, but the only drawback to this method is that the WebEx mobile app does not have all the features of the meeting interface, particularly for presenters. If you know that you are going to have to host or present during your meeting, then we recommend that you access WebEx from a desktop or laptop computer, which I'll discuss next. If you have a laptop or desktop computer and a high-speed internet connection, then these will allow you to have the most fully featured WebEx experience. Unlike mobile devices, however, not all laptops and desktops come equipped with a built-in microphone and camera. If your computer doesn't have a microphone, then you can choose to join the audio conference by calling in using a telephone. However, if you want or need to share video of yourself, then you will need to have a connected webcam. Most laptops made in the last several years have webcams built in, but most desktops don't. If you need a webcam, then they can usually be purchased for as little as $20. If you connect to your WebEx meeting using the microphone on your mobile device, laptop, or desktop, then you will almost certainly need to use headphones. When someone speaks into their microphone while using WebEx, their voice gets transmitted to everyone else and its output either to speakers, headphones, or a handset, depending on what everybody's using. If you're using speakers, then their voice may come out of your speakers and then right back into your microphone. This can cause echoes, or at the very worst, a horrible high-pitched screeching noise called audio feedback. To avoid this problem, you should use headphones, which will safely deliver sound to your ears without creating all of the unnecessary noise for the other meeting participants. Once you have all the necessary devices, you will want to make sure that they work prior to attending a WebEx meeting. This will be your responsibility to figure out. There's such a wide variety of devices that it's difficult to provide a step-by-step guide for every scenario. Once you have confirmed that everything works properly, then you will be ready to move on to the next step.